This is the dust mite controller vacuum that I got. This model is the LWP1005. I'm gonna open this up and show it to you guys, and then I'm going to try it out. All right, so you have the user manual on top. And then the vacuum itself right here. All right, so this is the corded one. So it is not a wireless one. You plug it in just like a regular vacuum. And then this is the power button. This is what the underside looks like. And then right here you have the canister with the filter that I imagine will fill up with dust, hair, anything else that's on my bed. So I am going to plug this in and try it out on my bed, and I will show you guys. Alright, so that is the vacuum. It did not get all of the dog hair off of my bed, but I have a black lab and her hair just sticks to everything. But this is the canister afterwards. You can see a bunch of hair in there. So yeah, I would say it works. I can see a lot of dust in there too, like just grime in general that I had no idea was on my bed. Ew. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, I had no idea. Okay, I would say that it works really well.